As above, so below. That's what I'm seeing anchoring this reading with you guys. As above, so below, and I'm showing that there's a spirit baby here. I don't know if this big spirit baby is, Lord forbid, is a spirit, that came in and, returned back into the spirit realm. Um, or this could be a spirit baby to come. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed. But I'm definitely seeing like there is definitely some sort of spirit baby. Um, it's almost like a cycle of life or something is what I'm feeling here. Clarify the spirit baby, please, spirit. What is it that we need to know? YouTube Collective. One more for spirit baby. Oh, yo, this one is a little heavy, you guys. I'm definitely seeing an energy of someone possibly trying to utilize a baby as a control tactic on someone, is what I'm seeing here. It looked like this is definitely some sort of a message, okay, with this communication energy out here. There is like a message in a bottle. This is almost feeling like the Page of Cups where Spirit wants you to trust your intuition, listening to, there's energy of listening to your intuition. It seems like someone has been receiving downloads, possibly experiencing a lot of emotion. It's almost like an energy of the Most High. It's pushing for someone to um, have higher expectations, especially in regards to who you entertain. um, Focus on knowing your self-worth, or at least that's exactly what's gonna end up happening because it looks like with this messages or communication card, it almost as well, it feels like a hermit. It's almost like an energy of you going through some sort of spiritual enlightenment, transformation. I looked over and it looked like there is definitely some sort of transformation here. It could be an energy of like some sort of death and rebirth, okay, with this Pluto energy out here. Some sort of transformation with a death and a rebirth. This is heavy. Okay, let's go ahead and continue on. Um, I'm Nora. Welcome to the Divine Space. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Take what resonate. Leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let it fly. Energy is always fluid. I could be speaking about a masculine or feminine energy. Let's go ahead and clarify this control tactics energy. I feel like this is not the only thing that this individual have done. I feel like it may have been a multitude of things. Clarify this control tactic energy, please, Spirit. What is it that we need to know? Control tactics. One more for control tactics. So I'm definitely seeing the temperance angel out here, which is bringing balance to a situation. Um, I'm seeing like with these control tactics, I'm seeing an energy of someone keeping their composure. There's an energy of patience out here until judgment is being called. Because with this judgment, it talks about you having or going through some sort of awakening, especially in regards to focusing on some sort of renewal and making some sort of choice to change your life for the better. And with that choice comes the justice, is what I'm seeing here. Whatever choice you make, you are the karmic justice, especially when it comes to this situation. I'm seeing that this is the energy of you learning some sort of life lesson. I see the tower energy right here, which is talking about an energy of things changing unexpectedly for the better for you. Something crumbling. It seems like a foundation being crumbled or something coming down unexpectedly is what I'm seeing here. Yeah. Clarify this communication. Yeah, because it's definitely for your better. I'm seeing with this Wheel of Fortune at the bottom of the deck, it seems like you have a higher purpose. There's an energy of destiny out here. You guys having some sort of good luck, all right? Good karma. Clarify this communication. Clarify communication. What's going on with this communication? Please, Spirit. Now, with this communication, I'm definitely seeing an energy of you releasing and being released or releasing. Yeah, I'm seeing an energy of you being released or you possibly releasing yourself from some sort of bondage, removing the chains from this toxic situation. It seems like this person is very excessive. It could be a masculine energy is coming out as an emperor. Okay, an older masculine energy or something like that, possibly a fire sign. It seems like this person is very greedy. I'm seeing an energy of instability, very dependent, is what I'm seeing here. This is a very dependent individual, is what I'm seeing here. And I'm also seeing that there's an energy of repetitiveness. Okay. I'm seeing this person is cheating or some sort of cheater, pretending to know more than what they really do. This is an energy of someone that exudes this energy of poor quality, is what Spirit is saying. Look, I'm not playing. Spirit is definitely stamping like didn't want you or don't want you with someone. Is what I'm seeing here with this Three of Swords. I'm definitely seeing some sort of removal, some sort of separation. Clarify this expectation. Clarifying this expectation and this self worth. I'm seeing you having lots of options and possibilities with the Seven of Cups. I'm seeing that there is an energy of dreams coming true or something like that. I'm seeing energy you picking and choosing. It's almost like an energy of like some sort of dream, is what I'm seeing here. And I'm seeing the Ten of Pentacles out here as well. I'm seeing unexpected finances, large lump sum of money, possibly some sort of deed or something like that. I'm seeing like there is an energy of value here, okay? You guys are definitely going to have this energy. You have this energy of support through issues. There's an energy of richness, okay? Some sort of solid foundations, possibly a trust fund, all right? Somebody could have fire in their chart. Again, I'm definitely saying fire could definitely be significant to this reading. I'm seeing Aries definitely strong here. I'm seeing the energy of this person or someone. Clarifying this Aries and be completely honest, there's energy of regret here. Someone refusing this offer. I'm seeing there's a missed opportunity, especially when it comes to someone wanting to start some sort of new beginning. Okay? Which is clarifying your self-worth and expectation. I'm seeing that there's definitely a transformation, like an ending to some sort of cycle, an ending to something, some sort of contract for a new beginning. That's what I'm showing here where you're letting go. It's what I'm seeing here, especially when it comes to like a family situation or something like that with the Ten of Cups, a marriage or a long-term relationship or something like that. I'm seeing it coming to an end with this star card out here. And we got that the alarm in the back. Yeah, I'm definitely seeing some sort of wish fulfillment, some sort of wish come true. It seems like there was possibly some sort of deceit. Just a moment. Some sort of deceit or cheating. My apology. It was like it was some sort of deceit or cheating, lying, stealing, dishonest, immature. They could actually be younger than you, act younger than you. And I see this person wanting to communicate with you guys. All right. I'm seeing phone calls, text messages, email, someone wanting to share your wanting you to share your blessing with them, even though they didn't help you manifest it. Yeah, they're definitely reaching out to you. 333 is one of time. Yeah, they're definitely trying to communicate with you, reach out to you in some form of fashion. Okay, after a period of possibly feeling trapped, I'm seeing you viewing things from a different perspective, the connection that you had with this person, and you learned some sort of lesson. There's an energy of you letting go or have let go. Uh-huh. You went through some sort of self-reflection, clarifying this expectation and inner knowing. Look, and the phone is still ringing. I'm seeing a close into a cycle. There's energy of you trusting your intuition. Okay. Remember I said somebody just kept calling the phone, keep calling the phone. And it's crazy that a phone call is coming in. I mean, distractions, trying to distract you. My apologies. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. Oh my goodness. But like I said, it seems like there's an energy of you guys trusting your intuition. There's energy of you guys having an inner knowing. Okay. Like I stated with the spirit baby, I don't know if you guys have a child that may have returned back to the realm or there is a spirit baby in the realm waiting to come in. But it seems like the way that this person was possibly going about this or was the way that they are, it's like spirit was not going to put you in that. Okay. Spirit was not going to put you in that, keep you in, this person was toxic. A closing message. They try to use it as a child as a control tactic. It wasn't in the matter of, it wasn't in the name of love. It wasn't. Look, transformation came out, y'all. A period of deep chance, I mean, a period of deep change is occurring. Release what no longer serves you to make space for growth. Let go of old habits, beliefs, or situation that is holding you back. Embrace the new with open arms. At the bottom of the deck, I'm seeing resolve. When you fully commit to your path, the universe aligns to support you. Make a firm decision today. Remove hesitation and step forward with complete conviction. That's what I'm seeing here.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.